I'm Adrian Dorber, the Dean of Lichfield, and I have been here as Dean for the last 15 years. It was one sunny morning last late summer or early autumn. I came up from morning prayer, and as we do every day, we prayed for the world, we prayed for our communities, we prayed for suffering people. And of course, when you pray, you've got to align yourself with God's purpose that you might be used as part of the answer to that prayer. I checked the idea out with my colleagues and said, what about offering the cathedral as a vaccination centre? It's big, it's airy, we can cope with big crowds. We're well used through our events management programme to receiving large numbers of people in a specified period of time. And they were similarly encouraging and said, yeah, well, let's try it. So we wrote to our local GP practices and said, the cathedral's yours if you need a big space, a big safe space in which this vaccine program can be rolled out. They were very gracious, said, yeah, well, we'll let you know. And on the 14th of January, we held our first vaccination clinic with, I think, 1,100 people being vaccinated on that same day. It's a good thing for faith communities to say, we need to look after ourselves. Life is sacred, life is precious, and we do need to be bearers of life to one another, not carriers of disease. I had the vaccine. I was very happy to have had it. It offers me a measure of immunity and protection should I become infected with the disease, and I commend it to everybody to have it. The only side effect I had was a slightly sore arm for one day. I think it was a side effect that was well worth carrying. So far, we've vaccinated 5,000 people. All of those would be in the most vulnerable age groups. It's also had a great effect on our own cathedral volunteers who've been delighted to help both show people how to park, how to enter the building, how to comply with hand sanitization, social distancing, and all the rest of it. And we've experienced a great deal of thanks and I would say a community sense of relief that the vaccines become available so quickly and so locally. Sometimes human behavior can be a bit challenging, but it's been wonderful to see the way in which the cheerfulness and the carefulness with which doctors and nurses and reception staff have dealt with everybody. And I hope that more and more people have been able to see just what a dedicated group of people, the NHS staff, happen to be. I've seen many people say that their fears have been softened by this. And other people have come into the cathedral say, I've not been here for decades and I didn't know how beautiful it was, nor how welcoming. And it's been lovely to come back to a place I know is here, but now I can call it perhaps a bit more my place too.